In the digital era, connectivity is not just a feature, it's the force behind every smart system. Milesight industrial cellular routers power them all. In remote power distribution sites, Milesight 4G routers with Modbus, DLMS, firewall, and Python support securely transmit telemetry and control data, powering smarter, more resilient grids. In residential areas, smart meters connect via Milesight routers using Modbus or DLMS and failover, ensuring uninterrupted data transmission over cellular networks. From city streets to service stations, EV chargers rely on Milesight routers with dual SIM and failover for secure QR code payments, real-time monitoring, and remote diagnostics. On busy streets, digital billboards use Milesight routers with dual SIM, failover, and 4G connectivity for remote updates, performance monitoring, and ad delivery. For outdoor video surveillance, Milesight routers deliver high-speed video transmission and accurate GPS positioning. Even on the move, live feeds stay online, and incidents are reported instantly. From cities to fields, buildings to billboards, Milesight routers bring it all online. Milesight industrial routers. Connectivity powers everything.